Good morning, students. Good morning to all teachers. So today I am going to present one of the thought. Every morning will come with the different challenges, and every evening leave us with the some experiences. So I want to say in Hindi also. हर सुबह की जिंदगी का हर सुबह कुछ शर्तें लेके आती है और हर शाम को कुछ तजुर्बा दे के जाते हैं. So while you coming to the school, you come like a plain paper. Nothing will be have in your mind. So after that, while you leaving the school, you have to feel something in the memory and you have to leave the school. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. 6 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ 7 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅರ್ಥ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟುಡೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಈಸ್ 12th of the August is celebrating as the Global Youth Day. So World Youth Day. So what we have to do means the students who are in the age of the youth means after 15 to 25 years, they should not fall in the distractions. They have to fight for their global system. So I would like to say that all the youth people, they have to fight for their global and don't fall in the distractions. And one more thing I want to say is tomorrow is the 13th August. So what is the special of the 13th August means World Organ Donation Day. So organs means what organs we have in the body, we have to donate to other people. We have to give the life to the other people. And not only that one, tomorrow is one more day, that is left hand people's day. So what it means the people who are writing with the left hand day. So left hand people will be commonly, generally we say that rich people, left hand people are very rich people, and the people who are right with the left hand, they have the separate knowledge like celebrities. So some of the Indian left handers are Narendranath Modi, Sachin Tendulkar, and Rajinikanth, Sachin Tendulkar, Ratan Tata, etc. So in the global left handers means Leonardo Vinci is the greatest painter, and Obama, Barack, and one more is Marie Curie. So by this topic I will say thank you for giving me this opportunity on the stage. Thank you to all.